In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning up to $2,000 in affiliate commissions over and over and over again. In fact, just today, I've been able to do over $2,000 in affiliate commissions, $2,050, and it's actually only 8 p.m. as I'm recording this video. So how's it going? My name is David 𝐏𝐸𝐿. I want to get straight into it. Let me actually flip the screen over and show you this because this is absolutely incredible. So check this out. As you can see right here at 3:42 p.m. today, I was able to generate actually not this one right here, 3:32 p.m. I was able to generate a $2,000 commission and then another commission at 5:25 of $50. That's a total of $2,050 just today that have come in. Now, this is in addition to a whole bunch of other commissions that have come in. And let me actually show you the program that I'm promoting. It's called E1U Life. And this is the program that will actually enable you to earn up to $2,000 commissions that go straight to you. It's a 100% commissions program that you can actually earn up to $2,000 commissions. So check this out. I'm actually going to refresh this just to see if anything else came in. So here we go. So just in the past 36 days, actually exactly since September 19, I've been able to earn just with this program $32,700. If that wasn't enough, this is actually not the only commissions that I was able to generate, because I'm using a special affiliate marketing system that has 4 different income streams. And in a minute, I'll show you the other income streams and what came in from those. And that adds up to a total of over $59,000. And if at any time during this video you want to check out the exact system that I'm using, I want you to click the link just below this video in the video description and go check it out. So this is the first program. Now the second thing that I wanted to show you is my actual shopping cart. Let me just refresh this as well. And as you can see here, just give it a second to load. If you look at the dates, September 19 to October 25th, which is today, as you can see, I've generated an additional $26,375, and all of this is through the special system. It's a special affiliate marketing campaign that I'm using that enables me to earn all of these commissions. Now, my results are not typical. I'm not in any way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to make $59,000 in 36 days. I'm just showing you what's possible. And in just a second, I'm actually going to log into the Facebook group where you can see other people just like you who have watched a similar video to what you're watching right now and have decided to take advantage of the system that I have just below this video. If you click on that and activate, there's 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1 is you want to click the link below and you want to go and watch the webinar that explains exactly how this works. Step number 2 is you want to activate your income streams, your affiliate IDs, essentially. Because the affiliate marketing campaign that I'm going to be giving you, it needs to know what are your affiliate IDs for all the programs so you can earn commissions from them from the traffic that you're sending. And that's actually step number 3, which is sending traffic exactly the way I show you how to send it. Now here's the thing with the traffic. You can do this with free traffic. In fact, most of my traffic to generate all of these commissions has been completely free traffic from my YouTube videos and from Facebook. So if you're wondering, okay, David, but I don't have a YouTube channel or I don't know how to make videos, don't worry about it, because I'm actually going to hook you up with my exact videos that you can leverage in your marketing, and you can keep 100% of that traffic and 100% of those commissions. See how that works? So again, all of this is explained when you click the link down below and go check it out. Now let's add these 2 up, because if we look at the total commissions, I've already done this just before I did the video, but if you look at this, 2,603, let me actually do this on a regular calculator here, 26,375 plus 32,700, that is actually a total, as you can see right there, let me see if I can get this thing to zoom, $59,075. That's in 36 days. Let me actually show you. If we go to Google and we type in days since September 19, which is exactly when I started using this, as you can see, days since September 19, 36 days, I've been able to do over $59,000. Now here's the thing. I know you're wondering right now, okay, David, that's great that you're generating these commissions, but what about people who are leveraging your marketing campaign? Are they generating any results? Good question, the right question. And let me show you what members have been able to generate with this. So check this out. This is the Facebook group which you're going to be invited to, where again, I do the work. You leverage my campaign. I give you the webinar, the web pages, the videos, the members area. You get the whole thing, the exact thing that I'm using that helps me generate these commissions. I give it to you. All you need to do is step one, you need to watch the webinar so you understand what is it essentially. Step two is you need to get it set up. And on the webinar, I show you how to do that. It takes about 10 minutes and you can get everything activated in 10 minutes and ready to go. And your campaign is up and running, like literally up and running, already live in like 10 minutes. Is it worth 10 minutes of your time to set everything up? I think so. I mean, come on, 59K in 36 days. Even if it would take me, a month to set this up, it would still be worth it. But it takes 10 minutes. Now, after that, after you set up your income streams, and specifically, here's what I want you to do, because I want to give you all the bonuses, the full bonus package that includes my videos, access to a secret software, which I'm not going to talk about in this video. There's a secret software that I use that helps me generate these results. But you're going to get access to the secret software. When you set up your system, I want you to remember these two words, Vertex Live. That is the actual program that helps you get qualified to earn up to $2,000 commissions. So join at the Vertex Live, because that's the one where if the system helps you generate a sale from the visitors you're sending, if it's a $2,000 commission and you're not qualified at the Vertex Live level, you're not going to get that commission. So make sure to come in at Vertex Live. And the third thing is the traffic, which I show you exactly how to do right on the webinar. This is why it's so important that you watch this. Now, again, I do the work. You just get set up, send some traffic the way I show you. I help you do this too. I even help you get some traffic already going to your link. And I show you also how to get free traffic and basically exactly the same traffic that I'm sending. So again, I'm the one doing the work. You are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. And here, check this out. So this is what I posted like an hour ago, $2,050 in profits, which I just showed you live. Here's a member by the name of Alan. And as you can see here, he posted, look, I made another $350 for today. And he made income from multiple programs. This is why it's so important for you to activate all the different income streams. But if nothing else, just do the first one at the Vertex Live level. And as you can see, he was able to do this by leveraging my system. $350 a day, pretty cool, right? Let's check out another one. Here's a member by the name of Miles. Miles was basically watching a game on TV and he got himself another $2,000 commission right there. Now, one more thing that I want to show you real quick. Check this out. Let me see if I'm still logged in here. Yeah, we're still logged in. Good. Okay, so if we go here to the sales leaderboard, check this out. In here, this is the actual program that the main program that we're basically promoting. And if you look here, check this out. Miles actually got more commissions than me with my own marketing campaign, which just to show you that just because you're leveraging my marketing campaign, that doesn't mean I'm going to get more results than you. You can actually get even more commissions than I make by leveraging the same exact campaign. It all depends on how much traffic you're sending. And as long as you're doing it on a consistent basis, which I show you exactly how. It's just a matter of you putting it in place. So this leaderboard is the top 10 affiliates from all the affiliates that this program has. And it has thousands of affiliates. But check this out. All 10 spots are, not all 10, but actually 9 out of the 10 spots are people that are using my marketing campaign, my team members essentially. This is why I want you to click the link below, go watch the webinar, and then join my team, because I'm not just going to leave you hanging with like, well, good luck, you joined, now go figure out how to promote. No, I give you the marketing campaign, I give you the videos, I hook you up with some traffic, I show you how to get free traffic, I hook you up with my YouTube videos so you can leverage them actually with your own marketing, keep 100% of that traffic, and keep 100% of those commissions. In addition to that, there's secret software. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I hook you up with just by joining my team. So I want you to do that as soon as possible because the bonuses are expiring soon. I don't know when you're watching this. Hopefully it didn't expire already. But check this out. Here's spot number 1. That's a team member of mine. Here's me. Here's another one of my team members. 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 And here's another one of my team members. Remember this name, Beaky. Remember this name, Birdie. Remember this name, Paulo. Now check this out. Let's go here. Miles, you've seen him already, made a $2,000 commission. By the way, another thing that I do for my team members, just yesterday, I was on a live call for 2 hours answering everybody's questions. I basically don't get off the line until everybody's questions are answered. So I know you're full of questions right now. You're wondering, how the heck are people earning all these commissions? Click the link below. Go check it out. On the webinar, I explain exactly how this works. And these are just a small fraction of all the results that have come in through this campaign. Again, I want to emphasize that, look, I'm not guaranteeing in any way that you're going to make any amount of sales specifically. I don't know you. I don't know what you're going to do with the campaign that I'm going to give you. I can give you the best campaign in the world. If you do nothing with it, nothing is going to happen. But if you just follow my instructions and implement, it takes about 10 minutes to activate it and then just send traffic. It takes 20, 30 minutes a day. And you are well on your way to a very successful online business if you do so, if you actually implement this and follow what I show you. So check this out. Here's Paulo. He was able to do $83 commission and a $50 commission today. Here's another member. Check this out, Sebastian. I've never met Sebastian. I don't know who he is, just like I haven't met you. We've never met in person. We've never shaken our hand, but that doesn't matter. You can leverage my campaign. And check this out. Sebastian was able to do, he said, hey, I got my first sale. He just posted this yesterday at 11 a.m. $2,000 that he got to make by leveraging my campaign. Again, join my team. I want you to click the link below and join my team because I hook you up with everything that you need to actually be successful with this. Actually successful with this. So let's keep going here because there's a bunch more that I want to show you. Check out Beaky. Remember him from the leaderboard? He's one of my team members. He's actually in here. He's in this group. He's leveraging my campaign, just like you can leverage my exact campaign. And as you can see here, he's made $4,000 in 24 hours. $4,000 in 24 hours. Are you listening to this closely? Check this out. It shows you right here. Take a look. At 7 a.m., he got a $2,000 commission. And at 9 p.m., he got another $2,000 commission. $4,000 in a single day. In a day. I used to work a whole month and I still wouldn't make that much working in retail. So this works, guys. This is incredible. Check out Miles again. $7,000 in commissions in the last 2 days. Check out Beaky again. This was actually the one he posted earlier in the morning before he made $4,000 that day. Birdie made $100 while drinking coffee, as you can see right here. And I could keep going and going. Here's Paulo. Check this out. He made in 33 days $26,590. And look what he wrote here. He's from Australia, by the way. And he says, look, when this money hits my bank account, it will be 41,690 Australian dollars, which is the national minimum wage per year. And he made that in 33 days. 33 days. If you're interested in earning big commissions, you need to join my team. Click the link below, join my team. Let me hook you up with all the bonuses. You want to do that as quickly as possible before the Welcome Week bonus expires and that offer is off the table, because then you're not going to be able to get all my videos and stuff. So make sure to do that as quickly as possible while this promotion is still running. Here's Miles again. As you can see, 2 a.m. got himself some commissions. This is me. I had a $2,700 day. The day before that was $875. The day before that was $2,000. And this was when I was able to do, with this campaign, $56,000 in 32 days. I'm already beyond that, as you can see now. And this is Miles, obviously being proud that he's on the leaderboard. And again, guys, I could keep going. Here's Garrett, another member, $2,000 while having coffee with a friend. And I could keep going and going and going, and it just doesn't end. Angie, another member from Australia, made herself $2,000 by leveraging this exact system. So now, here's what I want to finish this video off with. If you want to make big commissions, click the link in the video description and check out the webinar. I show you exactly how this works. It will take you about an hour to watch it. I'm telling you right now. So prepare yourself a cup of hot chocolate or something. sit down and watch it, because I'm going to reveal secrets that will blow your mind away. But after you understand how it works, this is what everyone here has done. So if you're interested in also generating big commissions, let me show you how you can do that by clicking the link below. Go check out the webinar and then get set up exactly the way I show you on the webinar. Come in at Vertex Live. That's the level that qualifies you to earn up to $2,000 commissions. And that's the level you want to be using with this system, with this marketing campaign that I'm going to be hooking you up with. After that, step 3 is sending traffic to your affiliate link, essentially, your system campaign, the link that I'm going to give you for this campaign. And I help you do that. In fact, I even help you get 200 visitors through a special deal that I've negotiated with the first affiliate program. And in addition to that, I hook you up with a whole bunch of stuff, including free software, my YouTube videos, and everything that you need to really hit it off really well with this business as quickly as possible. It's really up to you whether you want to be earning big commissions and whether you're going to follow what I show you. It's not complicated. As you can see, plenty of people are doing it. I'm not in any way guaranteeing that you're going to be making these commissions in any period of time. I'm not guaranteeing any sales at all. It really depends on what you do with what I give you, right? Now, to finish this video, again, remember, there's 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1, join my team, okay, by clicking the link below. Join my team because I can help you. Click the link below, go watch the webinar. That's step number 1. Step 2, activate your system, basically, like come in at, set up your system at Vertex Live. That's the most important thing that you want to do so you don't miss out on any commissions. Step number 3, start sending traffic with all the bonuses that I give you, the training and everything. It should be pretty easy for you to do it, but will you do it? I don't know. That's up to you. How much do you want to make money online? If it's important to you, if you want to start doing $2,000 commissions, follow my instructions. If it's not important to you, then I will know because of the comment that you left below, and then maybe it's not the best fit. So go ahead and do that right now. I'll see you guys. I'll see you inside the system very soon, and I'll see you in the next video too. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.